Hello again. Today we are going to practice reading some sentences that have got these two graphemes in. So let's have a look at the graphemes to start with. These two letters make A. Can you say that? These two make ow. Can you say that? So what was this one? A. And what was this one? Ow. And this one? A, and this one, ow. So I'm going to muddle them up. You've got to tell me the sound. This one, ow. This one, A. This one, A. This one, A. This one, ow. Well done. I'm going to add in a couple of split digraphs now as well. So remember, the first one does the talking. This one makes I. This one makes A. So if I add those into the pack of cards, tell me the sound you see. Ow. A. Ow. I. A. Ow. I. Ow. A. So we're going to be using those graphemes to help us to read some silly sentences. And I've got 2 cubes here, and we're going to use the 2 cubes to make some sentences. Some of the sentences are going to be sensible and some of them might be silly. So I'm going to roll the green dice first. Oh, that's landed on that one. And I'm going to roll the red dice. Oops. And there we go. So I'm just going to straighten that one up a little bit so that you can see it a bit better. So you're going to have a go at reading that silly sentence. Let's have a look at the difficult graphemes to start with. So these two make ow. These two make ow. So you have a go at reading the sentence out loud. So if you think that is sensible, you're going to show me thumbs up. If you think that is a silly sentence, you're going to show me thumbs down. 3, 2, 1, show me what you think. Okay, let's read the sentence together and see if you were right. Read it with me. The loud cloud had trousers on. The cloud had trousers on. That's a silly sentence, so hopefully you showed me a thumbs down. Let me roll the dice again. I'll roll the green one first. What have we got? Oh, that's this one. Let's roll the red one. And we've got this one. Let me just straighten that up so it's easier for you to see. Off we go. Let's have a look at the tricky bits to start with. So this sound makes I. This sound makes A. This sound makes ow. This sound makes I. So have a go at reading that sentence to yourself. Right, show me on your thumbs. Show me thumbs up if you think that's a sensible sentence, or thumbs down if you think it's a silly sentence. 3, 2, 1, show me. Let's see if you're right. Off we go. Let's read together. The drive, drive, way, driveway, looked out, side, side, outside. The driveway looked outside. I don't think the driveway's got any eyes at all, so it definitely can't look outside, so that's a thumbs down for that one. Let's roll the green dice again. Let's see what we get this time. Oh, we've had that one before. Let's try that again. Let's do this one. Let's try and straighten that up for you a bit. Let's roll the red one. There we go. Let's have a go at reading that. So, let's check out some sounds to start with. What sound do these make? A. And this one? A. So you have a go at reading. So ready to show me whether you think sensible sentence, silly sentence. 3, 2, 1, show me. Okay, let's read it together and see if you were right. Off we go. The plate was on a tray. The plate was on a tray. Well, a plate could be on a tray, so that was a thumbs up, sensible sentence. Let's roll the dice again. What have we got this time? Oh, had that one before, but that's okay. Let's see if we can get a different bit to go on the end. Okay, that's this one. So, what sound do these two make? Ow. These two? I. These two? A. You have a go at reading the sentence. Okay, ready to show me? Thumbs up if that's sensible, thumbs down if it's silly. 3, 2, 1, show me. Okay, let's have a go at reading the sentence together. We'll see if you were right. The cloud went side, ways, sideways. The cloud went sideways. Well, a cloud can go sideways, so that's a thumbs up. That's a sensible sentence. Let's do another one. Let's roll the green dice. Okay. Oh, it landed in between two. Let's try that one again. Okay. So we've got this one. And we'll roll the red dice. Whoops. There we go. Right, what sound do these two make? A. And these two? A. Off you go then. Ready to show me on your thumbs? Thumbs up if it's sensible, thumbs down if it's silly. 3, 2, 1, show me. Let's see if you're right. Let's read it together. Jade was on a tray. Jade was on a tray. Well, Jade is a person's name. I don't think a person would fit on a tray. I think they'd be a little bit too heavy. So that was a silly sentence. Right, we're going to do one last one. Let's see what we get on the green dice this time. Oh, in between two again. Let's go for that one. We haven't had that one. Let's do the red dice. And there we go. Let's have a look at some sounds. So these two make A, these two make ow, these two make ow. You have a go at the reading. So ready to show me on your thumbs? Thumbs up for sensible, thumbs down for silly. 3, 2, 1, show me. Okay, let's try together. The a cray on crayon, found found, a pound pound. The crayon found a pound. I don't think a crayon can actually get up and move, so I don't think it would be able to find anything. So that was a silly thumbs down one. So if you found any of those a little bit tricky, that's okay. Play the video another time and have another try, and you'll find that your reading gets better each time you practice. Enjoy!